balances sakho labakunete wona, lamanye awo can be opening balances, lamanye awo can be closing balances. In this case you have 2021 here lokukhombisa kona ukuthi lo yini i-opening balance, le i-closing balance. And then you also have required yakho, what is required of you. So you are required to prepare the statement of comprehensive income, which is your income statement for 28 marks. But while preparing the income statement, you need to take into consideration the following as well. Loku fanele base kubale la loku 1.9 naku 1.2. You need to also take that one into consideration, so that ungashiyi lutho, because you want all the marks. So okay, I've been given information now. Information. You need to prepare your income statement. How do I prepare income statement? You know the structure of income statement kusamba kanjani. You need to take advantage of my easy marks. So bangutshela ukuthi as so bonile ukuthi bathi prepare income statement, you go to your answer book yakho. You open answer book yakho, you go to where the income statement is, and then you start populating things, you start adding things there in cost of sales, and then ubuka any other thing lefane ingene income statement yakho, your expenses, all your expenses and all your incomes, so that ungasali or ungashiyi lutho emuva. Uyabona? After doing that, that's where you can now go to your adjustments. Njengoba ngikutshele ukuthi you need to pin each or else match each adjustment or additional information with the information lele tool ku-trial balance. So you need to do that. So mawukwenda konke lokho wena uendela ukuthi ukhona understand ukuthi udila ngani manje. And while you are here, you ask yourself, what are the possible things that they can be asking me to calculate here kuloko, or else why are they giving me this information? For example, stock records. Bakuneta ukuthi maybe ucalculate the value of the closing stock. After calculating the value of closing stock, uthatha uyibeke nje. Yes, ku-balance sheet you gonna use it vele, but you need to calculate maybe trading stock deficit or trading stock surplus, which is income and expense. So look for income statement. Then for my fixed assets, you ask yourself, looking at whatever is here for my fixed assets. So maybe they can say calculate depreciation. Let's say depreciation for the year. So you ask yourself, for income statement, depreciation, ne profit or a loss of any asset that has been disposed of. Then you move to the other adjustments. You start reading the adjustment. Adjustment lena ikhuluma ngema data that was previously written off as irrecoverable, was posted in error into test control account. This must be corrected, which means now they are telling you about something that happened and there was an error. So you need to correct that error. Where do you correct it? You need to understand that. And baphinze bakhulume ngale provision for bad debts must be adjusted to 3% of the debtors control balance. So when you're understanding, or else ulolo kufunzile ku income statement, yini lo ungayicalculate out of this thing, meaning that you will first adjust the debtors control yakho. After adjusting the debtors control yakho, that's where you will determine any provision for bad debts, and then compare it against the one that is on the trial balance. If you were given a provision for bad debts, yes, you were given 85, so compare it with what you will be calculating. Once ma question mark, it means that you need to calculate something. So if maybe this one, if the one that is on the trial balance is more than the one that we calculated on the adjustments, meaning that adjustments, trial balance is more than adjustments, it means that you as for example, this one is 85, the other one ibang 84. So it will be income, meaning that our trial balance is more than the one on the trial balance is more than the one that is on the adjustments. So I'm just giving you the tips here because you're still gonna write this paper let's. So you're just comparing. So when you know but don't calculate a provision for bad debts adjustment, either it by income or it by expense, but you need to know what's by income by expense. Then you move to the next one. A contract that is signed by the business for Ilogwanji said an annual premium of 32,400 for the period ended 31 July was paid in full on 1 August 2021. So you need to understand linka na yip information the tool this thing. Masenqetse calculator, where should I take it to? Should I take it to rent income? Should I take it to security expenses? Should I take it to any other thing that is so in you need to do match. How do you match? Ubuka ukuthi trial balance ithini and then adjustment as well ithini. Then you match this thing ukuthi kwendakalani lapha. So for example, bakhuluma nga always save security, so it's gonna be security expenses. Yakubona, so imechile ukuthi it's gonna be security expenses, but you need to understand what happened. And then the next one bakhuluma all details in respect of the February 2022 salary of an employee were incorrectly debited to the sundry expenses account. So there's an error that occurred. I mean that all my expenses relating to a salary of one employee for February, itholakale added to a sundry expenses account. You need to correct that when a bigger funny ear corner this thing. So what is it that you need to do here? You need to take it out from a sundry expenses account. Do we have a sundry expenses here? So you need to subtract it from the sundry expenses. We have a question mark, and then take it to where it must go. For example, njengalana funa iye because my salaries and wages now. So funa ite like salaries and wages. So you so linkile when this thing linka to what on the trial balance. A tenant, once bakhuluma nge-tenant bakhuluma nge-rental income. So you know what there's rental income. Do we have rental income now? So yabona ukuthi you are mapping the thing so that ungadidiki ukuthi asokondakalani manje la. And then income tax, so this one is gonna be your income tax, meaning that mawenda prepare income statement yakho, you know ukuthi pass le kutoba nenzaba income tax. So you use this information, they pass it for income tax. Loan, there will be interest expense that you need when. So you just take the interest that was capitalized for income statement purposes. Shares and dividends asifiki la, net asset value asifiki la as well. This is related to balance sheet. Then your income statement iphelele, you good to go. So into lefuneke manje is to just thatha icalculator yakho uphunche ubuke ma numbers akho liwafake lapha are correct, and then that's it. Sekuphelele ni income statement leyo.